Let's start. Hi, I'm Diana Rodriguez, a student of social communication at the National Open Distance University. I'm president of an animal protection foundation. I'm 14 years old. I have two children and I'm separated. My most recent trip was Salento Quindío. Salento is a beautiful municipality with cold and very pleasant weather near Armenia. In Salento, there is a beautiful place called Cocora, which is a nature reserve where the national tree of the palm of wax grows. To get to Cocora, you must take a jeep and be ready to enjoy the weather and the nature. To go to this place, I recommend bringing a coat, hot drink, and tent. It's wonderful to be there and know the diversity of fauna and flora. Quindío is one of the greenest departments in Latin America. That's why I recommend it.